So the next topic is template literals. So usually, what exactly template literals, or why do we use template literals? So template literals are nothing but they simply used to ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, they simply used to get the data from the variables. So simply ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ template literals ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so that we can dynamically access the data and we can simply concatenate. We can access the data inside the string, or we can concatenate variable data, right? So I will show ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ, right? So usually, so for example, I'm going to take something called let my name equals to Manoj, right? This is my variable. How do I usually concatenate? Let me take my name is, and I have to concatenate this string using the plus operator, right? So this is bit clumsy to write, right? Again, I have to go inside the string, and again I have to come outside of the string, and then I have to concatenate the variable name and to access the data, right? And you get the same output, and you have the same output, like my name is Manoj antane baratte. Are you able to see the output right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Manoj anta baratte. So, but what if I told you, instead of using this, so template literals na hege bariತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, we are going to access the data like in the log using backticks, right? These are the backticks. You can backticks.
Okay.
So the backticks ಕೆಳಗಡೆ tab symbol ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ console.log, and I'm going to write my name is. So now I don't need to concatenate using plus symbol like this.
Okay.
Instead of that, what I'm going to do is using $sign and the flower braces. Inside this, I'm going to access my data. In the same string, I'm going to access the my user defined string, like my name is Anodana jotege. Along with that, I'm going to access my name as well, which is nothing but the data as well. And I'm going to take another int equals to 24, and I'm going to write here only my age years old. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಈ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಓಕೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೆ my name is plus my name, and again I have to do this like and I and again out of that string and my age, and then again I have to do like this, years old, right?
Yeah.
So which one you think is the better way?
The second one.
Second one, right?
Yeah.
Template literal, because in the same line you can write the entire data that you want to write or you want to execute, right?
Yes.
So I will go with this thing for your sword, right? That's it.
Okay.
So this is template literal. So template literal ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, or we call it as a embedded expression ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Embedded expression. So embedded expression ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are going to embed the data inside an expression. So which is expression? $, and this symbol, flower braces symbol, and you have to use the backticks.
Okay.
That's it. This is the syntax. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yeah.
So let's move on to the next topic, which is conditional statements. So you know condition statements ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ? Conditional statements. So conditional statements, why do we need to perform conditional? To perform any operation based on the given condition, to perform conditional operation. So for example, so ಯಾವ ತರ condition in general ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ day to day life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ conditions ಬರುತ್ತೆ? If you want to cast your vote, you have to be 18 years old, right? So this is what the conditional statement holds. So conditional statements ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ to perform conditional operations. So there are some certain conditions. So conditional statements ಗೆ there has to be some conditional operators ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So conditional operators ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. So conditional statements ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So in the conditional statements, I'm going to cover the conditional statements along with the conditional operators as well.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So conditional statements ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? If, so ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
Yeah.
If else, and another thing is switch statement. Right? If else switch.
Yeah.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ if else if ಅಂತ. If else if ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ladder if ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Right? This is conditional
Okay.
statements. And then along with that there is something called conditional operators ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. So conditional operators ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ conditional operators ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? Equals to. So in JavaScript ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು equality operator ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Equality operator, double equals we call it as equality operator. And then triple equals ಇದ್ರೆ strict equality operator. And then greater than or equals to, and then one more thing is ಯಾವುದು? less than or equals to.
Okay.
Less than or equals to. Right? Less than or equals to, equality operator, strict equality operator, greater than or equals to, and lesser than or equals to. Right? That's it.
Okay.
And let's
Yeah, got it.
go with the if else condition. So if else condition ಯಾವಾಗ execute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? If the condition satisfies, or if the condition is true, or if the condition satisfies, it executes the if block statement. So I'm going to write the if condition syntax here. So what do you mean by syntax? Do you know what is syntax? And the syntax is nothing but the rule.
The JavaScript rule. Okay.
Yeah. If condition ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
Okay.
If is a keyword. If the condition satisfies, it executes the if block statement. If, and inside the block or inside the parenthesis or inside the brackets, we have to write the condition, right? And this is if block. The code
Okay.
to be executed. This is how it goes, right? I think instead of writing like this, I'm going to change a bit. So you are okay, la?
Yeah, correct.
Syntax, if condition, if inside the condition you have to mention what's the condition that you wanted to execute, and then the code to be executed, right?
Okay.
If the condition
Okay.
satisfies with the, if the condition or if the criteria satisfies with the condition, then it executes the whatever the condition that is. And then let's go with like this. So I'm going to demonstrate an example. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ? If condition. Okay? So let me take let age equals to, I'm going to take 10, and then if inside here, if age is greater than or equals to 18, I'm going to say in the log, you can vote, right? You can vote. So you are going, what will be my output? Will I get the output?
Here's the next statement. No, you have to give the variable, right?
Yeah, I
Not
have to
required?
mention the variable as well. This is my condition.
Okay, yeah. Greater than 18% you can vote.
Sorry?
If condition true means you can, yeah, log is correct.
Whether this given condition is true or false. What's the value of age here?
That you have to give the variable, no?
Yeah, that's what here, right? It's a variable.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Is okay. 10. Okay, it will come false only. It can
Yeah,
what?
you can vote on the Bharata. No, right?
No. It's
So you won't
lesser
get
than
any
18, right?
output
10
here.
is okay.
You are not going to get any output here. See,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
this is with respect to
Okay.
if condition. If I change the condition to less than or equals to 18, now what? Now this condition is true or not? Right now,
True.
and then it's going to say like instead of you can vote, I'm going to say you cannot vote. If the age is less than 18, you cannot vote, right? So now I'm going to get the output as you cannot vote.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Oh,
So Artha Aita, you want me
okay.
to explain once again?
No. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮನೋಜ್. Okay.
Huh? Okay, fine. So ಇದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೀ ಇಫ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಫ್
Okay.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. If keyword, along with that you have to go with the braces or the condition, and the condition should have to be enclosed within the brackets, and inside the bracket you have to write the condition.
Okay.
And after that you have to go with the flower braces. Inside the flower braces you have to write the code or whatever the output that you want to see. You cannot vote. So ಇದು if condition ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Oh.
there is another thing called if else ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. if else condition. So if else condition ಯಾವಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? If the condition doesn't
Not met.
yeah
Not met, right? It means.
yeah if the condition doesn't satisfy the if block, else block. That's it. So I'm going to taking the same example. Let, or sorry, directly I'm writing the code. I have already defined the variable up there. If age is greater than or equals to 18, then I will say in the if block, I will say you can vote, and then else. See where you have to write the else block. You have to write else block once after the if block ends.
Okay.
If block ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. If block start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and after that you have to write here
Okay.
else. Inside the else block you can write log. You cannot vote.
Okay.
You cannot vote. Why? My age
Yes.
is 10. Now it's saying you cannot vote ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Yes.
Right?
Correct.
If I change this to 20, what will be my output?
20. Consultant can vote. You can vote. First one will come.
Good. You can vote ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Why?
The first one is satisfying.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
And one more thing, as I said, if else condition ಜೊತೆಗೆ there is
Switch.
one more thing, if else, and one more condition is called if else if ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. If else if, or we can say it as a nested if. So nested if ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. If else if. So ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ. So I'm going to take an example as day. Let day equals to let me take day number 1. So there are 7 days in a week, right?
Yeah.
If day is equals to 1, then I'm going to log it's Monday, right? Else if, see the syntax, else if day is equals to 2, I'm going to log Tuesday. I think ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೋಡ್ ನ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. I'm making the code very simple for you. Yeah, so don't get confused with the day is equals to 3. I'm going to log it's Wednesday, right? And after that, else if day is equals to 4 of Thursday, else if log Sunday.
Else
These are all
you
some
can
logics.
write n number of, right?
Yeah.
Or
You can use n number of,
okay.
but there is one constraint or one rule at the end. You have to use the else.
Okay.
Else if in case day 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ day 2 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ day 3 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ you have to write. That's it.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Day 6 ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? To be log Saturday. And for day 7, I'm going to use else if day is equals to 7, then I'm going to log Sunday else console.log invalid day ಅಂತ invalid day. Right?
Okay.
So ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Since I'm using day as 1, so I'm going to get the output as Monday, right?
Monday.
Day 1 equals
Yeah,
to
correct.
Monday. If I change this to 5, what will be
Friday.
output? It's going to be Friday, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Right.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I think
If I change this to Sunday,
7 means log Sunday.
yeah.
Sunday.
If I use
Sunday.
10, so there is no 10 days in a week, so I'm going to get
Invalid
the
day. Okay.
invalid day. Why?
Okay. It's
ಯಾವ
not
condition satisfy
satisfied with that. Okay.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yeah, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು this one.
Yeah. So here I'm going to give an exercise for you.
Okay.
So using the same thing or using the
Okay.
same box, so you will day,
Okay.
if day is equals to Monday, if day equals to Monday, you have to change this to what Monday ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. To change this here to
Okay.
Monday. Go to task or go to temple or go to somewhere else ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Sure.
Right?
Sure. Okay.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ
Okay.
ನಾನು ಬೇಕು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Sure. Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ? ನಾನು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡೇನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಡೇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ದಿನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, fine. So there is one more thing which is called as switch statement ಅದೇ. switch statement ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Okay.
Sorry. So which is the same alternative for else if condition or if else if condition. Which along with the case or along with, you can go with the condition as well if you want. Condition or anything, or you can better to go with the case or choice ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
equals to ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. And after that inside the switch block having the cases, case 1 and up to n number of case you can write case, and after that you have to go with the code to be executed inside that case. Code to be executed, and after every cases you have to terminate the execution of that particular line of code or particular case code using a break statement. Right? I'm going to show that day is equals to 1, right? switch.
Okay.
Switch day, and inside the switch block, I'm going to use the case 1.
Okay.
Or I'm sorry, it should be like here. Case 1.
Okay.
Log. It's Monday. Right? And after that, as I said, for every statement or for at the end of every case, this
Okay.
I will show what happens if you don't use the break statement. I'm going to use all the other cases. Control C, and I'm going to control and paste. And I'm going to format this. I will change that. Don't use copy paste. Yeah. Now it's fine, right? Case 1
fine.
and case 2. Yeah. It's going to be Tuesday. And Thursday. Friday. I need one more thing. And I have to change the day's number as well.
Okay.
It should be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And at the end of every statement, or at the end of every cases, at the end of every switch statement, so then you don't need to you don't have to forget one more thing called default ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
So default ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so like ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ if else if condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ else use ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ at end of the code block.
Okay.
Just like that you have to use the default. Like ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ you have to say, so like that ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದೇ ತರ invalid day ಅಂತ.
Okay.
Right? So now we can go and see the output. Again, ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ output ನನಗೆ. So since I'm using day 1, I think that must be my output is Monday, right?
Okay. Okay.
If I don't use the break statement here, let's see ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು.
Okay. Okay.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. What happened? Oh shit. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. Okay, next condition ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. If I don't use break here, I'll comment out the break here. ನನಗೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ತನಕ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. Okay.
You know, for just for that particular one.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
If,
Okay. Sure. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು. But this flower bracket you have to use. Have to close first. Only one flower bracket. Only one, right?
Yeah. This complete switch case ಏನಿದೆ complete one code block ಮತ್ತೆ one switch block ಅಂತ.
Sure.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆದ್ರೆ
Sure.
else ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay. And the cases you have to use only that is okay.
Right?
You have used the colon, right? After case 1.
Yeah. Colon. Yeah, here I use colon. Not semicolon, it's colon.
Sure. Okay.
Semicolon.
Okay.
Right? Case 1,
You
case
have
2,
to
case
use
3.
colon only, or else you can use the semicolon also.
No, you cannot use semicolon.
Switch
It's
after
a syntax.
that is sure. That's yeah. Okay, that is about it. Okay, I got it.
On day 5,
It's clear.
output as if I use day as a 10 called invalid day ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, got it. I got it.
Right? So just like this statement, so ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, instead of 10, instead of going to the string like Monday, Tuesday ಅಂತ, do the same thing for this thing as well. Switch statement ಕೂಡ do the same. For day,
sure.
Monday, and then replace the case 1 with Monday. Yeah. and then you can change this to.
Okay, got it.
So
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ fine ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yeah, fine, Manoj.
Okay, so I will end the class here. I have to do some other works as well. Sorry.
Sure. No, no.
Okay, fine. I will record and I will send you the video.
Sure. Thank you, Manoj. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.